What's good, my peoples? How is everybody doing on this Thursday evening? Hopefully, every single one of you guys had a blessed day. You stayed safe with your loved ones wherever you're at in this beautiful world that we all live in. It's your boy, Hamid G, coming at you to let you know what's going on in the Wild Wild West of Cryptoland, guys. We are going to get into Doge. We're going to get into some new levels of resistance and support and briefly look at the charts, being that we have passed that 25 cents level of resistance. What? Hell yeah. We're on our way to that $1, baby. You know what I mean? Anyways, guys, so we're going to get into that. Then we're going to dive into some whale wallets, right, guys? 5 particular wallets that we're going to look into, right? Out of these 5 wallets, guys, in the last 2 days, they have bought over $486 million worth of Doge, right? And that acts as a positive catalyst for the price of Doge. As we can see, right, the price has gone up. You know what I mean? So we're going to get into that. Then we're going to get into a couple other articles that can be some positive catalysts, right, for the near foreseeable future of Doge. Now, if you are new to the channel, what you waiting for? Hit that subscription bell. Turn it on to all. Maybe if you're feeling generous today and being a kind-hearted person, maybe you can give your boy a fat thumbs up. I appreciate the love, guys. And not just that, I am doing a giveaway of $300 of free crypto when we hit 1,000 subscribers, and we are getting closer and closer to that mark. So if you like free money, what you waiting for? Hit that mother stinking subscription bell. Turn it on to all. And none of this financial advice is just your boy yip yapping on YouTube. Nothing more, nothing less. Now that all of that's out of the way, let's get it. Bam. All right. Currently, Grandpa Bitcoin is sitting at 35,000, guys, with 90 cents or $90. That is huge, or $42, right? 35,000 with 42 and 13 cents, up 7.47% for the day. That is huge, guys, being that just the other day we were down all the way to 29,000. Everybody, not everybody, but a lot of the haters and the naysayers and non-believers were saying we were going to go down all the way to 20K, and you have all these institutional investors such as you know what I mean, Morgan Stanley, JAIME, all these freaking big wigs, right, talking bad about Bitcoin, that it's going down. Yeah. Nothing but haters, guys. You know what I mean? Look at it now. Bitcoin's going to do what Bitcoin always does, which is a good thing, right? Because the markets follow, including Dogecoin. As you can see, good old Grandpa Bitcoin's in the green. The overall markets are in the green. He keeps the markets happy. All right, enough of Grandpa. Peace. All right, now let's get into the main superstar of the day, none other than Dogecoin. Dogecoin to the moon, baby. All right, guys, we are back at number 6, and we are currently at 27 cents. Hell yeah. Considering we were just at 16 cents like 3 days ago, guys. Hopefully you bought the dip if you were smart. I know I did. We are up 22.93 cents percent for the day. 24-hour highs, 27 cents. 24-hour low, 22 cents. Market cap is sitting at $36.05 billion. And volume is at, it's gone up just a tad bit, guys. We're sitting at $4 billion, guys. You know, being that the volume is a little bit down, right? That can, you know, make the price fluctuate, right? When volume is lower, it could be a little bit more volatile, guys. You know what I mean? For those of you that don't know. But with that being said, let's dive into the chart and get into these new levels of resistance and support. Right? All right, good. It stayed. All right, briefly, we're going to look at the daily chart right here, guys. So, for those of you that don't know, oh man, my phone just turned off. Yay. Come on, man, quit tripping. Technical difficulties here, guys. My phone is not wanting to accept my freaking, oh, there you go. All right, guys. So, for those of you that don't know, each one of these candles represents a day. Right, let me get my handsome self to the corner here, guys, as I usually do. Get in the corner, I'm in trouble. All right, guys, so as you can see, the last 4 days we've been working on the uptrend, right? Since we had that ugly major dip right here, guys, right? We were at what, 28 cents, right? And then we dipped all the way down. We wicked down to 16 cents, right? Then we caught that level of support at 16 cents. But nonetheless, guys, we've been trucking our way up gradually for the past 4 days, as you can see on these daily charts, right? Or on the daily candles here on the far right side, which is a good thing, right? We've been on an uptrend, slowly but surely working our way back up to those all-time highs, right? Okay, so now let's look at the weekly, right, guys? Already, I like to look at the weekly when I get into levels of resistance and support. Okay, now let me draw a line here for us, okay? Let me get a little bit more technical. Okay, guys, so we're going to look at the new level of support. Okay, so obviously it's going to be 25 cents, guys. So, which is sitting right... nope, where am I at? Oh, right here, dumbass. Okay, right there. Okay, you see how that I have that white horizontal line, okay, guys? So, I am sitting, if you can see, I am on the weekly, the the most current weekly candle, right? I am right underneath the wick. Then if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, right, which 4 weeks prior, which is the very biggest red weekly candle, right? We're on the wick, right? We're a little bit tad above it, but nonetheless we're on the wick, right? And then if you look to the last 2 weekly candles, right above the FX Empire writing, you have a red weekly and a green weekly, and we were right underneath that, right, guys? So this is going to be our level of support, guys, now that we have busted through it, because it was our level of resistance. So now we're going to go back up to this here. Now I'm going to come into our level of support. Bam. Okay, so now you see that box, right, guys? So this is pretty much where we're going to be consolidating, right, for maybe a couple days, maybe a week or two, I don't know. But nonetheless, guys, I apologize, guys. My neighbor's dogs are barking, so sorry. Hush. Be quiet, Bear. So now my dogs are barking because they're chilling out here with me, guys. But anyways, nonetheless, guys, so as you can see, Bear, stop it. Hold on, guys. All right, I'm back, guys. Like I was saying, I had to throw my dogs in the house. So as you can see, this channel, or not channel rather, this box here, okay, guys? So this is where we're going to be consolidating. For those of you that don't know what consolidating means, that just means trading sideways. The price is undecided on whether it wants to break to the upside or to the downside. But being that these past couple days we've been on a uptrend, I'm hoping that we're going to continue to go up on this uptrend and break to the upside, right? And eventually test those all-time highs. But nonetheless, guys, this area of 30 cents is a crucial level of resistance, right? It was a level of support, right, guys? But we've been here before, guys, where 30 cents acted as a level of resistance, right? Not too long ago, right before we had that Coinbase Pro positive catalyst, right? We had that listing, right? 30 cents was actually our level of resistance back then, right? Then we busted through it and we hit them 44 cents, right? And then we retraced down back to around the 37 cents area. But nonetheless, guys, I say all that to say this, the key takeaway from looking at the technicals and looking at the chart here is 30 cents is the new level of resistance and 25 cents is the new level of support in this channel, in this box right here that you see in these 2 horizontal lines. All right, enough of the yip yapping on the technicals, guys. Now let's get into some fundamentals here. Okay, guys, now let's dive into briefly real quick. I don't want to take too long. We're going to look into these wallets here, guys. Let me get myself back in here. Let me just get myself out of here. It's acting stupid. All right, guys, so we're gonna, let me get my notes here, guys. Okay, so the first one we are looking at is number 8. Okay, guys, so we're gonna dive into number 8 real quick. Right now, this wallet, guys, today bought 1,000,000,005,000,000, as you can see, right? He received 1,5, you know what I mean? That's what, 1,000,000,005,000,000. I don't even know how you pronounce that. I'm a dum-dum. Anyways, guys, needless to say, in dollar amounts, right? They bought at around 24 cents per Doge, and it comes out to over 371 million dollars worth of Doge. Okay, guys, that was just today, right? This individual bought. Okay, so now let's get into wallet number 12. Okay, number 12 here. Remember, guys, these are the top 100 most richest wallets in Doge. Okay, so this individual, right, was buying today. Okay, as you can see here on the far left, it shows the dates, right, guys, and the time. So we have from the 24th, right, 24th all the way to this individual. You can see he keeps buying, right, for the 22nd, 21st. Pretty much every day this individual is adding, right, to their bags, to their holdings. Okay, but I just went as far as back as from the 23rd, right? So I'll show you where that is at, right? Okay, 22, 22, 22. Where you at? Gosh, yeah, yeah. So right, starting right here, okay, guys, from the bottom of my list all the way up. Okay, guys, so from here all the way up to the 24th, right? They bought a total of I did the math, right? They bought over $16 million worth of Doge, right, in the last 2 days, the 23rd and the 24th. Okay, so now let's dive into wallet 53, right? How crazy is this? Wallet number 53 actually bought $53 million worth of Doge, guys. That is insane, right? What are the odds of that? 53, unless the individual did that on purpose, right? To be silly with it, I don't know. But anyways, as you can see, this individual wallet here, guys, wallet with number 53 bought at the price at 23 cents, right? They bought $53,615,245 worth of Doge coins, guys. This is huge, right? This acts as a positive catalyst, right? And it helps the price of Doge, as you can see, right? We've been on an uptrend. We're at 27 cents, guys, right now, which is huge, right? You know what I mean? Now we're going to dive into wallet 64 real quick, right? Alrighty. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderfully blessed day, guys. Number 64, guys, right? They bought today as well. As you can see, most of all these 5 top wallets that I'm showing you, right? These wallets have did a lot of buying today. Oh, they did a little bit of selling today. But nonetheless, guys, this wallet has bought $21 million worth of Doge, okay? Going back as far as the 23rd. I just went from the 23rd to the 24th, right? But I mean, this, look at green. For those of you who don't know, green means buying, right, guys? So they did a little bit of selling, but as you can see, as we dig into this wallet, guys, going back as far as the 22nd right here, 21st, they just been multiple buying, right? They just keep adding to what they already got, right? So like I said, from the 23rd to the 24th, guys, they have bought over $21 million worth of Doge. And now I'm going to close out looking at these wallets here with number 67. Okay, and this is crucial information, guys. It's good information to have, right? Because it lets you know what's going on, right, with the price of Doge, right? It can act as a positive or a negative catalyst for Doge, right, depending, right? Now, this individual on the 23rd, right, look, all the 23rd, right? So this individual has bought over $25 million worth of Doge, right, guys? And out of these 5 wallets, is a combination, I did the math, it's over $486 million worth of Doge, guys. That's huge, right? That definitely helps push the price of Doge up, you know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? I know that I briefly talked about this earlier, but I wanted to touch on this again real quick, guys, because it's crucial and it's important. Because it talks about, oh man, where'd you go? It talks about, I hate when my phone does this to me, man. It was talking about, let's see, I bet you it's going to disappear on me, right? It was talking about, don't count Dogecoin out, right? And I wanted to, okay, here you go, right? I just wanted to briefly touch on this, right? It says Dogecoin ain't dead yet, right? For all you haters, you're getting smacked in the face. We're up over 40%, guys. Now it says after weeks of struggling, right? We've been consolidating, guys. You know what I mean? That's why you got to have good diamond hands, man, and continue to hold and remember what you're doing this for, man, the long run. It says Dogecoin has taken a real beating the past few weeks. It is now up 20% in the past 24 hours, making it the best performing altcoin, guys. That is the key words I wanted to tell you right there, right? It is the best performing altcoin, right, in the past 24 hours. Definitely, we're up way over 20 cents, right, guys? This article is, I believe, from yesterday. Yeah, it's from yesterday, but nonetheless, I just wanted to briefly touch on that, right, guys? Because Dogecoin is doing what Dogecoin is doing. It's continuing to slap those haters, right, that continue to hate on Doge and continue to think that Doge is going to go nowhere. You know what I mean? All right, guys. All right. I'm glad. Hopefully, you guys are still with me. I'm going to close out here in the next minute or two. Okay, guys. Now, this here, it says Elon Musk's development efforts could give Dogecoin a value floor, hopes Cardano founder. Right? They're talking about Charles Hoskinson, right? It says Hoskinson, in a conversation with podcast host Lex Fridman this week, said Dogecoin is a reasonable target for someone to fix it up and make it an interesting cryptocurrency. Now, this is key, and this is what I like right here, guys. Now, is there a possible collaboration between Doge and Cardano? That's up for speculation, right? But he says, Hopkins said that he hoped that a compromise can be made where real developers come in and they start working on Doge to create some use and utility for it so it at least has value floor and won't collapse. It says, and it says, notably, Hawkinson said during the podcast that he was not against the idea of Dogecoin and Cardano working together. He said it would be a lot of fun. You know what I mean? That's open for speculation, guys, just like how Ethereum, right? Vitalik Buterin had said something, right? And then via Loopring, there was a collaboration between Doge and Ethereum. Right now, there is faster transaction speeds, right, through Loopring, right? So, you know what I mean? Maybe through Cardano and Dogecoin, there is something cooking there, right? Something brewing. We don't know. You know what I mean? Who knows? All right, guys. Now I want to close out with this here real quick, right? Because this is crucial. This is important news, right? It says Coinbase approved to enter Japan's cryptocurrency market, right? Why is this important, guys? Because Dogecoin is now listed on Coinbase Pro. It's not on the Coinbase retail platform yet, guys. But nonetheless, right, Coinbase has been allowed into Japan with 5 cryptocurrencies, right? Who knows? Maybe Dogecoin will eventually make it to Japan as well, right? It says Japan's top financial regulator, the Financial Service Agency (FSA), announced last week that it has registered Coinbase as a crypto exchange service provider based on the revised Fund Settlement Act. This is according to the FSA. Coinbase is approved to trade Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Stellar Lumen, and Litecoin. It says the approved entity is Japan's subsidiary of Coinbase Global, a NASDAQ listed company. This is huge, guys, right? Because, like I said, this is just the beginning stages of cryptocurrency. We're in the beginning stages of like when the internet was new. You know what I mean? For those of you that continue to hold strong, be diamond hands, you know what I mean, for the next couple years, you're going to be rewarded, man. Your patience will be rewarded. I promise you. I can't promise you, right? But just, I know it, man. I just feel it in my soul, in my spirit. But anyways, that's what I have for you guys, man. Hopefully you guys have a wonderfully blessed night on this Thursday. You guys stay safe, stay blessed. Your boy Jaime G is out until tomorrow. Peace. Hopefully this video was useful, guys. If it was, please consider like and subscribe. Later.